to give you guys a little bit of an update right now. So we finished installing the 6 LED high bays that were missing up there. And right now we're actually in the process of installing some really bright LEDs along the wall. So when we're actually doing our inspections, when we're actually washing the cars in our decontamination area, it will be extremely bright. So there's another 5 LEDs we're going to be putting up on this side. And we've decided to put up a partition wall to put storage on the other side. So we're going to make our workspace a little bit smaller, but by doing that, we're going to keep our workplace a lot more tidier. So right now, we're in the process of planning that. And next week, the paint is going to get started. So the ceilings are going to get painted in black, and we're going to pick the colors for the walls. But yeah, it's coming together slowly but surely, and can't wait to welcome you guys for the summer of 2021, spring of 2021. I think that. But the thing is, when you see the car. Yeah. Take the car, you see. Yeah. Before we go, guys, they actually just finished wiring up the side, so I want to show you guys what it looks like with these on. So this is going to give a lot of light on the side when we're working on it, but I think it's going to look really nice. Doug pointed out before, especially if all of the lights are off. Imagine the nice photos we can actually take in here. So super excited for that too, especially with the walls painted. I think we're going to put some, maybe we'll put the art on the other side of the wall. We'll see. Okay, let's check out the other side of the shop. All right, so on this side, we have this Rolls Royce Wraith. It does have a nice two-tone to it, but what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be wrapping the silver in an ivory satin pearl white to match the paint, but just to give it a different type of two-tone. So the grille, the hood, the roof, and the trunk are going to be completely wrapped. We just finished prepping the car, making it nice and clean. Some little disassembly to do. Let's move over onto this side. This is the Volvo XC40, and this thing is getting a full front end protection film. We're also going to be doing, I don't know if you can see it in this angle, but we're going to be doing a full ceramic coating. So what you're seeing now are swirl marks. These are going to be detailed, compounded, polished, and taken away before we apply a ceramic pro on top of the entire paint with the film. So this is what normally you're gonna see on a black car, and with the ceramic coating, it's definitely gonna help it keep it clean. It's gonna make it slightly more scratch resistant, but guys, you need to know, it will still scratch. If you're gonna be bringing it to a bad car wash, it could still scratch. The protection film, on the other hand, this has the self-healing, so all the swirl marks that you could normally see on a paint is gonna heal on its own, which is really nice. Subaru, we do a ton of Subarus. So we don't just do McLarens or Rolls Royces. This is in for a front end protection film. Wants to keep his car for a very long time, so that's why it's here. And this is a Model 3. And this is getting the rocker kit done. So the rocker kit's already done, but this is a prime example, guys, to show you 1.5 years of driving without protection film, without detailing on the Model 3 kind of looks like. I'll see if John can get the details of this, but the headlights are completely chipped and etched, the fog lights, and this is not dirt, this is actually, you know, this is, it's pretty much just sandblasted. I would say it's almost to the point where we can't really save it. We're just gonna do a nice compound on it, polish, and she's only gonna keep it for another year or so. So we're gonna do light ceramic coating on top, and I think that's pretty much it. Jin's actually, is this side done? He's working on it already. He's working on it? Okay, so yeah, you can actually already see the huge difference. I guess this side wasn't worked on yet. See if you can get like what this side looks like and then what the other side looks like. It's just like pure black. It's black again. On this side it almost looks like navy. It looks almost blue. So that's a little update for today, guys. Again, thanks for watching our YouTube channel and keeping up to date with what's going on in the shop. We will be doing different types of videos throughout the month, and we will be doing a contest very shortly. We'll tell you about that on the next video. See you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.